I'm here with my Dash Mini Waffle Maker, and I have a package of these Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls, and I am going to make a cinnamon roll waffle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So the first thing I need to do is open up this package of cinnamon rolls. This is one of the cinnamon rolls from the package, and they're kind of small. These are not the jumbo rolls. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flatten it down. I'm just going to take my hand and flatten it down a little bit. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. I could also pick it up and stretch it out a little bit if I want to. That'll make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to put it in the waffle maker. And I'm going to cook that for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's check on the waffle. And that's what it looks like. It's nicely browned. I'm going to take it out. It smells really good. I'm going to unplug the waffle maker. Always remember to unplug it when you're done with it. And now I'm going to taste this. Now it does come with the frosting, the sugar frosting to put on top of it, but I want to taste it first. The Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls always kind of taste like they're biscuits. You know, the biscuits in a can? That's what they taste like. They taste like a biscuit with some extra sugar and cinnamon on them. So are they the best cinnamon rolls that I've had? No. Is this the best cinnamon roll waffle that I've had? No. But it is quick. It's convenient, it's easy, it's tasty, and I thought I would film a video just to show you how easy it is to make these and just to give you an idea of what can be done with this Dash Mini Waffle Maker. So I'm going to go get some of the sugar frosting for this. Inside the package, there's this little container of frosting, and yeah, these definitely need some frosting on them. That looks really good. I'm just going to pick this up and taste it with the frosting. Much better with the frosting. These do tend to be on the drier side, so the frosting helps with that. Now I'm here with my Dash Mini Griddle, which I'm heating up right now, and I also have one of these Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls, which I've already flattened out. I'm gonna cook it on this mini griddle, and let's see if it comes out better in the mini griddle than it does in the waffle maker. I'm going to cook it for the same amount of time, which was 5 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. Let's take a look at what's going on here. It's nicely browned on both sides. It looks like a biscuit, but then again, that's what these are made out of, the Pillsbury biscuit dough with additional sweeteners and flavorings. Looks good. Let's cut into it. So flavor-wise and texture-wise, I like it a lot better in the griddle than the waffle maker. It's definitely much more like a traditional cinnamon roll when you make it in the griddle, because it doesn't have all the nooks and crannies of the waffle. And when you make it in the waffle maker with all the nooks and crannies, it will actually dry it out more. I just like this one better. So even though it was flattened out, it still rose nicely, considering how flat it was. And the texture and the mouthfeel is definitely better in the griddle than in the waffle maker. And that is how you can make a Pillsbury Cinnamon Roll waffle in a Dash Mini Waffle Maker. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.